we have discussed in this chapter about the agriculture. What are the different type of agriculture? Subsistence and commercial. Or in subsistence farming, there are two types: intensive and primitive. Primitive are two types: nomadics and shifting cultivation. So types of farming we have discussed, commercial we have discussed, those cultivation done for only commercial purpose. And today we'll discuss the farming style in USA and India. What are the difference between the Indian farming and USA farming? Farming is the cultivation way. So what is the main difference between the USA and Indian farmer? So there is two stories given in your book. One is Munna Lal or another one is given to Joy. So in this we'll discuss about what are the different ways through the we can study the case study. We can say such is the case study is given in your book. So main difference is between Indian and USA farming is a land size. Due to the population, due to the area, cultivational area, our farm size is too much small compared than the USA. Our farm size is, field size is 1.5 hectare, or in USA it is 300 hectare, 300. So that is the main difference of farm size. Technology also, we'll discuss about the technology. They are using the latest technology for cultivation. Main difference is they are doing this job for profit एज ए बिजनेसमैन. वो इसको एज ए बिजनेसमैन कर रहे हैं कल्टीवेशन को, और वी आर डूइंग दिस जॉब फॉर सेल्फ कंजप्शन, फॉर फैमिली नीड्स. हमारे यहाँ के कितने ऐसे फार्मर्स है, दे आर डूइंग फॉर ओनली द सेल्फ कंजप्शन, खुद अपने फैमिली की नीड्स के लिए. और समटाइम दे आर डूइंग फॉर द सरप्लस जो प्रोडक्शन होता है, रेस्ट ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ द क्रॉप, दे मे बी सेल इनसाइड द मार्केट. So this is the way to. So today we are going to discuss about the Munna Lal story. Okay. First we will discuss here Indian stories about, or later on we will discuss about the USA farming. So through this case study, so there is a small village in UP, Gazipur district. Munna Lal is the small farmer. Small मतलब medium size family. जैसे in class 6 you are studying Sekhar, Ramalingam. Okay. So Munna Lal is a small farmer in the village who cultivated the 1.5 hectare land. So उसकी land size, farm land of about the 1.5, that is size of the land 1.5 is houses in the main village. He purchased the high yielding variety seeds from market every alternate year. Alternate year he purchased the सीड्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. मार्केट से सीड्स परचेज करते हैं हमारे जो फार्मर. हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स होता है जिसको HYVS सीड्स बोला जाता है. H मतलब हाई, Y मतलब यील्डिंग, YILD ILD, और सीड वैरायटीज ये कभी कभी आपके वन मार्क्स में फुल फॉर्म भी आ सकते हैं. ओके. तो हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड is using purchasing from the market. जैसे हमारे इंडियन फार्मर्स they purchase from the market, sometimes they take from the cooperative sectors, or sometimes they may be take from the science farm center, कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र जिसको बोला जाता है, साइंस फार्म सेक्टर. साइंस फार्म सेक्टर इनसाइड द चित्तौड़ जो आपके रिटोला सर्किल है वहां पे बना हुआ है, यू कैन सी एनी टाइम. एंड द लैंड इज फर्टाइल एंड ग्रो द एट लीस्ट 2 क्रॉप इन ए ईयर. जो लैंड है वो फर्टाइल लैंड है, उसपे वो 2 क्रॉप इन ईयर ग्रो करता है. अर्लियर वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द 3 सीजन, खरीफ, रबी एंड जैद क्रॉप, जहाँ पे अच्छी इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी, दे मे बी ग्रो द थर्ड क्रॉप आल्सो, थर्ड सीजन आल्सो. बट मुन्ना लाल इज ग्रोइंग ओनली 2 क्रॉप, खरीफ एंड रबी क्रॉप, और मोस्टली एवरेज इज द राइस, व्हीट एंड पल्सेस. जो वो अल्टरनेट ग्रो करता है डेट इज द राइस है, wheat, and pulses. The farmer take the advice from his friend and elders as well as the government. जो मुन्ना लाल है, sometimes he take the advice from the elders, farmer, कि what type of crop suitable for my field in this year, which crop I should grow, कौन सी करनी चाहिए मुझे. Sometimes he can discuss with the government officers, patwari, or sometimes maybe those are concerned with this department, cultivational department, about the farming. He take the tractor on the rent for plugging it, so he is using the tools also, using tractors for cultivational, for plugging, for cultivational purpose. Some his friend still use the traditional method. Traditional means the early time block they are using for plugging. Block they are using for plugging जो soil को, तो it is the time consuming method. Time consuming ऐसे कि अगर suppose if you have the 5 to 10 hectares land, so it will be difficult because today's scenario is changing. According to the climatic condition, we should be grow the crop. Many times this happens कि if we grow the crop or rainy season maybe start, so our crop can't grow. जो सोविंग के क्रॉप को ग्रो होके नहीं आएगी क्योंकि देयर विल बी लेयर, उसके ऊपर एक लेयर जम जाती है सोइल की जो क्रॉप की सीड्स को बाहर नहीं आने देती. तो समटाइम दिस मे बी हैपेंस. तो इन सच सिचुएशन ही टेक द he discussed to the elders or suggestion. So some friends they are using the old traditional method, but he is using the tractors, modern farming. And there is the tubewell in the nearby field which take on the rent irrigated his land. और उसके पास में एक tubewell है, he is using the tubewell और he take the water on the rent. वो किसी की tubewell से और he is taking the on rent. Okay. तो मुन्ना लाल also had 2 buffaloes and few hens. उसके बाद buffalo भी, तो it is the part of mixed farming. ये mixed farming भी हो गए एक साथ. यानी is herding the animals along with the cultivation, with the agriculture. He sells milk in the cooperative store located in the nearby town. जो milk होता है sold inside the cooperative society. He is member of the cooperative society which also advises on type of food for his animals. कि किस टाइप की क्रॉप उसको अपने एनिमल के लिए एज ए पेस्ट ग्रो करनी चाहिए. फूडर safety measure to protect the health of the livestock and artificial inseminations also utilized by him. All the members of family help him various farm activities. Means the all members also support to him for cultivational, for agriculture. Sometimes he take the credit from the bank or the agriculture cooperative society to buy the high yielding variety seeds and implements those is using for agriculture purpose. So this is the scene of the Munna Lal. Okay. So what is doing the medium, belong from medium families, medium farmers, is using the modern technology. Tractor is using the tube wells for irrigation, high yielding seeds. Sometimes is taking the loan from the government, यानी organized agencies, formal agencies जिसको हम कर सकते हैं. And sometimes take the loan from the cooperative sector to purchase the implement or maybe. So this is the lifestyle of the Munna Lal. Okay. अब discuss another one story of USA. तो दोनों केस स्टडी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Later on you can compare. Okay. The average size of farm in the USA much larger than the Indian farm. A typical farm size USA about the 250 hectares. अब देखिए हमारा है 1.5 और उनके 250 hectares, यानी 250 hectares size in USA. The farmer generally reside in the farm. Some of the major crop grown are the corn, soybean, wheat, cotton, sugarcane. Okay, so there are a lot of variety crops are grown in the USA compared to the Indians. In this case study, if you compare, so he was growing only 3 crop: wheat, rice, or sometime maybe pulses. और इन यूएसए फार्मिंग wheat है, cotton है, sugar beet है, soybean है. तो ये Joy is the farmer in USA. Wheat, cotton and sugar beet is grown by him and living in the Midwest of the USA in Iowa states. on about the 3 hectares land. He grow corn on the field after making sure that soil and water resources meet to needs of this crop. So how to he grow the crop? First, he take the sample of soil sent to the laboratories, or in lab they will check the soil what type of crop may be good for the this crop, and later on, according their suggestion, according their advice, he follow the such instruction given by the lab assistant or lab officer कि what type of fertilizer you must be used in this land. तो such fertilizers using inside the USA. हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है? We use the common fertilizer. हमें ये नहीं पता, we never send to the land to the for sample. Soil को कभी हम लैंड नोट सॉइल को हम कभी सैंपल्स के लिए नहीं भेजते, बट यूएसए में सैंपल जाता है सॉइल का, फिर वो उसको लैब में स्टडी करते हैं, लेट ऑन दे डिसाइड कि कौन सी क्रॉप अच्छी होगी, व्हाट आर क्या न्यूट्रिशन की कमी इनसाइड द सॉइल. तो ऑल दिस हैपेंस इन यूएसए, नॉट इन इंडिया. तो मेजर आर टेकन टू कंट्रोल द पेस्ट दैट कैन डैमेज द क्रॉप. From the time to time, he send the soil sample to the soil testing laboratory to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. So in this way, they can check the soil. Or we have no such equipment. Or equipment lab भी है ना. So there are due to the lack of awareness, हम ये कह सकते हैं lack of awareness की वजह से there are many farmers they are not sending their soil to the for samples. Sometimes this happens through the government when government maybe pressurize the government officer, so they will be collect the sample. So but result will take the lot of time. जब तक result आता है soil का, जब तक farmer may be grow their crop grow कर चुके होते हैं. So nutrition sufficient or not, the result help Joy Oran to plan the scientific fertilizer program. तो इसको scientific fertilizer programs को उसको help मिलती है कि क्या crop grow करूँ, what are the क्या nutrition नहीं है. Or if you want to balance the nutrition, so what type of fertilizers is required. So link to the set, or his computer is linked to the satellite which give him to the precise pictures of each field. Precise pictures of each field. तो उसने अपने कंप्यूटर सेटअप लगा रखा है, कंप्यूटर जिससे कनेक्टेड है कैमरास, और कैमरा में भी सुपरविजन करते हैं पूरे फील्ड का, और थ्रू द सैटेलाइट से कनेक्टिविटी तो है टेक. और इन इंडिया देयर इज नो सच फैसिलिटीज, और दिस हेल्प हिम टू द यूज केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड वेयर दे आर रिक्वायर्ड. थ्रू दिस ही कैन स्टडी द कैमरास की इन विच साइड, इन विच एरिया. 300 hectare is the large area. So in this situation what happens, farmer may be study through the cameras, or in which area what type of the pesticides are required. He use the tractors, seed drills, levelers. Those who the tractors, seed drills एक मशीन होती है बेटा, जिससे ड्रिल किया जाता, मतलब सीड्स को डाला जाता है, सोविंग किया जाता है. Levelers, it is the computer operated levelers आता है. Computer operated levelers with the they can set inside the computer, और वो zero ground leveling कर देता है. Means the whole part of the soil, means the land field का पूरा एक level हो जाता है. यानी if you irrigation आप करोगे तो one side से अगर if you leave the water, तो it will be supply in all the areas, सभी एरिया में वो फैल जाएगा. That is the leveler, जो soil को level करता है. Okay. Various agriculture operations, ये grains are stored inside the automated grain storage. वहाँ पे देखो, in India what happens, there is the main problem कि there are many farmers they can't store their crop, so there is no such option to sell inside the market. Market में बेचने के अलावा उनके पास कोई option नहीं होता. But in USA they can store their crop inside the automated storage, और जब भी price अच्छी होगी they can sold inside the market. So the farmer in USA work like a businessman or not like a peasant or farmers. तो USA के अंदर जो farming होती है ना, it is the different style of farming. It is like a businessman, एक business है वो. और इंडिया में it is for self consumption. So that is the main difference between the Indian and USA farming here. Those we have discussed through the case study also, or through this. So there are few notes we can study. Again we can compare. Later on we will discuss if you have any doubt. So another one way is the You can see. There, are you able to see the slide, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a farm in USA, see what are the comparative approach difference between the US and India. Large farm size in USA, 250 hectares average. Farmer generally reside in farm. Mostly those farmers are living inside the farmhouses or maybe they construct the big farmhouses inside the field. मेजर क्रॉप्स जो इंडिया में मोस्टली जो हम ग्रो करते हैं व्हीट एंड राइस और समटाइम पल्सेस और इन मेजर क्रॉप जो है वहां पे कॉर्न सोयाबीन व्हीट कॉटन ओके और ये स्टोरी ऑफ ओरन वी डिस्कस इज लिविंग इन द मिडवेस्ट ऑफ द यूएसए on the 3 hectares of land is using the modern farming method latest technology adequate irrigation facilities available sprinkle method. There is no such shortage of water inside the USA. Sufficient water is available. You can see in pictures also. Soil test होता है वहाँ. They send their soil sample to the laboratory. Lab में भेजा जाता है. Later on, lab will be study what are the nutrients required, what type of the fertilizers required to recover the such nutrition. Later on, they can utilize the pesticide also to protect their crop from the इंसेक्ट्स कीड़ों से इनसे बचाने के लिए पेस्टिसाइड्स को यूटिलाइज किया जाता है और दिस फार्मिंग स्टाइल जो की जाती है इट इज द साइंटिफिक फर्टिलाइजर्स दे में बी यूटिलाइज साइंटिफिक वे से एक कल्टीवेशनल होता है ये यूजिंग द ट्रैक्टर्स सीड ड्रिल्स वी और डिजिटल लेवलर्स जो लेवल करता है सोइल को कंबाइन हार्वेस्टर मशीन जो होती है बड़ी वाली आपने देखा होगा जिसके बहुत जल्दी जो हार्वेस्टिंग कर देती है and thresher to perform the various agriculture operations. Grains are stored. ये important point है कि in USA there is a automated grain storage are available. You maintain the temperature for a crop. But in Indian we have no such sources. That's why we can't storage the our crop. इसलिए हमें price हो नहीं market में but when we need money we must be sell our crop inside the market. ये फार्मर इन यूएसए वर्क लाइक ए बिजनेसमैन नॉट लाइक बिजनेस ऑफ फार्मर so that is the main difference between the USA and Indian farming. Later on आते हैं do you know maize is also as a corn or various colorful variety of maize are found across the world. USA में इनमें बेटा different varieties और different colors of maize मिलती है. These are the, do you know, factors are given in your book. You can see the colors of different corn. See the colors. See, these are the different colors. It is a real picture. These are the different colors of the maize corn. Okay. Next, food security. Food security means होता है कि government are ensure कि everyone is getting the proper food or not. So all people at all times access the sufficient food or not, safe and nutrition food to meet their dietary needs and food prepares for an active and healthy life. That's why government has started the Annapurna scheme also. इसलिए government बहुत सी बार those person who can't purchase the food or they are not afford the such food, so government has decided to food security for all person. So government are providing the food for them at a minimum cost like I don't know about the cost but approximately 5 to 8 rupees government are providing the proper nutrition food for them those who are poor person. So these are the way to government can ensure their population their public their peoples if they are getting the proper food or not. That is known as the food security. Another one interesting fact, who discovered the coffee plant? These are given in your book. There are the different versions about the discovery of coffee. In about 850 AD, means after death, Khalid Arab court orders who was puzzled by the pure incense and clove, tested the berries of the evergreen bush on which goats were feeding, or on expressing the sense of the exhalations, he proclaimed it discovery to the world. ऐसे देखो coffee का discovery. Organic farming. In this type of farming, organic manure, natural pesticide are used instead of the chemical fertilizer. No genetic modification is done to increase the yield of crop. ये organic farming is beneficial for us. ये हमारे लिए beneficial होते हैं कैसे? क्योंकि जो भी chemicals से जाते हैं बेटा हमारे body में through the fertilizers, pesticides, अगर हम crop पे spray करेंगे crop के through, sometime inside our body चले जाते हैं. Sometime maybe they flow inside the water. Water में वही water किसमें mix up हो जाता है inside the rivers, or sometime it will be inside our body. Okay, so this happens. So we should be avoid the such practices, and we should be focused on organic farming. But what farmers are not getting the proper income through the organic farming. Organic farming में एक तो income proper, there is no such platform where they can sell their crop. जहाँ अपनी crop को sell कर सके वो. Second, production कम आता है. So these are the point dear students we have discussed in this chapter about what is the agriculture, different types of agriculture. So first we have discussed primary, secondary and tertiary activity, economical activity. Second point, types of the agriculture. Third is the different crops we have discussed. Or last topic today we have discussed is the difference between the Indian and USA farm. So dear, now you have any doubt, you may be discussed. Today I will send your NCERT solution on that your group, WhatsApp group after 2:30. And tomorrow onwards we will start the judiciary chapter. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can discuss it.